Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power mirrors, traction control system, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, auto express down window, beverage holders. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.